Alright, let's move on. So, why are you here and why did you choose Python? Hopefully none of you are afraid of snakes because this is going to have a lot of references to Python and a lot of funny Python jokes. So you see here at the top left corner that the Python symbol is actually two snakes involved together. Personally, I'm afraid of snakes, but I love the language Python. So there are a ton of many different languages out there. A lot of them have different features. They're all used for different things, and each has their strength and weakness. So they're pretty much all the same. They basically have the same structures and underlying information. You can move from language to language pretty easily, but a lot of them are specialized for certain things. For instance, you can do a lot of web development, or you can do desktop applications, you can do mobile applications, you can do little functions here and there, and every single website that has all of the information you need is different and based off of a different language. So Python is actually known for being simple and easy to use. As you just saw here, it is labeled as quick and easy to learn. So it's oftentimes used as the first language of many learners because it's pretty much just like the English language. So you can do code with some simple syntax, which is the grammar and structure of the programming language, and move on from there. So, as I said, everyone likes to learn Python first because it's very useful and very simple. There's a lot of stuff that is outside of other languages. For instance, some languages, if you're familiar, you have to end every single line with a semicolon. So just that by itself gets really annoying, and a lot of other things have like start and end brackets. But here in Python, it's very simple. As you see here, you have one line to print whatever you want. Pretty simple, mostly just English there. So, as I said, you don't need all the extra stuff, and it's very fast and at programming. So on the other side, there are some downfalls. It might be quick to program, but the actual execution speed isn't that fast. Languages such as C or Java are much faster to actually execute the code. And a lot of the stuff I'm saying is from my knowledge, but I'll make sure to go through and define everything for you well as we continue through the course. Python you would not use for the creation of mobile applications. There are much better languages out there, such as Swift, which is Apple's language for iOS development. And you just won't see an application out there for your phone on Python as of now. It's just not what it's used for. Python is basically used for things like data mining, parsing words, text-based analytics, a lot of deep learning and machine learning applications. That's what Python's specialty is. It is object-oriented like a lot of other languages, but it's focused on making it simple to parse through and read through a lot of information. So a lot of people do prefer Python over other languages. As you can see in a lot of job applications and on the news and a lot of things that companies are using, Python is the up-and-coming language. So it's a buzzword to know Python on your resume. A lot of people are looking for it now. And a lot of high-tech software companies are trying to get you to use Python. It is very beneficial for some things, but again, every language has its downfall and there is no perfect language.